Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In this segment, we'll provide a detailed step-by-step guide to effectively clean your engine's intake system. Follow along as we walk you through each stage of the cleaning process, ensuring that your engine receives the care it deserves. How to clean your air and fuel intake system. Keeping your air and fuel intake system clean is crucial for optimal engine performance. Regular maintenance of this system can improve fuel efficiency and overall engine health. Let's dive into the process of cleaning your air-fuel intake system. Gather necessary supplies. To clean your air-fuel intake system effectively, you will need the following supplies: a screwdriver cleaning brush, air intake cleaner, fuel system cleaner, clean cloth, safety goggles, and gloves for protection. Step-by-step cleaning process. 1. Prepare your workspace. Park your vehicle in a well-ventilated area and let the engine cool down before starting the cleaning process. 2. Locate the air intake filter. Remove the air intake filter housing by using a screwdriver. Take out the air filter and inspect it for dirt and debris. If it's dirty, replace it with a new one. 3. Clean the air intake system. Use a cleaning brush to gently remove dust and debris from the air intake system. Be careful not to force dirt further into the system. 4. Inspect the air intake tubes. Check the intake tubes for any cracks or leaks. If you find any issues, they should be repaired or replaced to prevent air leaks. 5. Clean the throttle body. Use a specialized throttle body cleaner to clean the throttle body. Spray the cleaner and use a clean cloth to wipe away grime and carbon buildup. 6. Clean the fuel injectors. Add a fuel system cleaner to the gas tank before refueling. This will clean the fuel injectors as the cleaner passes through the system. 7. Reassemble the components. Once the cleaning process is complete, reassemble the air intake filter, housing, and any other components that were removed. 8. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes to ensure everything is working correctly. Regularly cleaning your air-fuel intake system will help maintain your vehicle's performance and prolong its lifespan. Remember to follow the manufacturer's recommendations for cleaning intervals to keep your engine running smoothly. Professional cleaning versus DIY methods. When it comes to cleaning your air and fuel intake system, you may be faced with the decision of whether to opt for professional cleaning services or try out DIY methods at home. Each approach comes with its own set of benefits and considerations that can impact the overall performance of your vehicle. Benefits of professional cleaning. Professional cleaning services offer a level of expertise and specialized equipment that can deeply clean and remove stubborn buildup in your intake system. Professional technicians have the experience and knowledge to ensure a thorough cleaning process without causing any damage to delicate components. Additionally, professional cleaning can help improve fuel efficiency, reduce emissions, and enhance the overall performance of your vehicle. Effectiveness of DIY cleaning. DIY cleaning methods can be sufficient for regular maintenance and upkeep of your air and fuel intake system, especially for less complex cleaning tasks. Simple procedures like using intake system cleaners or DIY cleaning kits can help remove light deposits and maintain the system's efficiency between professional cleanings. DIY methods can be cost-effective and convenient for routine maintenance, but they may not always provide the deep cleaning that professional services offer. When deciding between professional cleaning and DIY methods, consider the level of buildup in your intake system, your comfort with performing maintenance tasks, and the overall condition of your vehicle. Finding the right balance between professional cleaning and DIY maintenance can help keep your air and fuel intake system in optimal condition and ensure your vehicle runs smoothly. In wrapping up our discussion on cleaning your air and fuel intake system, it is evident that regular maintenance of this vital component of your vehicle is crucial for optimal performance. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can ensure that your engine breathes clean air and receives the right fuel mixture for efficient combustion. Remember, a clean intake system leads to improved fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and overall better engine health. Stay proactive about maintenance. Regular inspections and cleaning of your air filter, throttle body, and fuel injectors can go a long way in preventing costly repairs down the road. By staying proactive and addressing any issues promptly, you can prolong the lifespan of your engine and enjoy a smoother driving experience. Enjoy the benefits. By taking the time to clean your air-fuel intake system, you are not only maintaining your vehicle, but also improving its performance. Expect to see better fuel economy, increased horsepower, and reduced emissions as a result of this simple yet effective maintenance task. Final thoughts. Cleaning your air-fuel intake system is a small investment of time and effort that can yield significant returns in terms of engine efficiency and longevity. So don't overlook this important maintenance task and make it a regular part of your vehicle care routine. Your engine will thank you for it in the long run. We've provided you with a comprehensive step-by-step guide to effectively clean your engine's intake system, helping you maintain optimal performance and longevity. Remember to incorporate these cleaning procedures into your regular maintenance routine to keep your engine running smoothly. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and tips to enhance your vehicle's health and performance. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.